Yes, you saw the title, and no, this video is not clickbait. I know every single one of you guys have a skill, whether it is doing art, Photoshop, photography. You guys all have a skill that you just don't know about. Literally anything in the world that you think that you might be good at, you can make $200 in your first month by just following what I'm going to tell you next. Skillshare. Yes, I'm sure you've heard of it. It's been floating around on YouTube lately. Everyone's getting sponsored by it. Obviously not me. My channel is way too small for that. But yes, Skillshare is the way you can do it. And I've been signed up for Skillshare for probably 10 months now. I go there to learn my things and then I get off. I have never thought about creating a course on Skillshare and selling that to everyone so that I could bring in money in return of me paying Skillshare money. So let's talk about how it works. Skillshare, you pay a monthly fee and all that money goes into a big pool. So all these people that are paying that monthly fee to be on Skillshare and to learn, all that money goes into a big pool and it is distributed out to all of these creators or all these teachers. And for a certain amount of views that they get, that's how much money they will in return make off of you and myself from joining the website and paying that subscription fee. I'm going to go ahead and pop up a screenshot right here that shows how much you can make for every view that you get or every person that watches your course. This is how much money that you can make from it. And like I said before, on average, a teacher makes $200 a month their first month that they're on the platform selling a course or delivering a course to students. So what I want to do is I want to compare that to YouTube. So if you were to create a YouTube channel from out of the blue, have no other following on other social medias, it is going to take you years or months to get that channel up to monetization level, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm not even close to that yet. Yes, my subscribers are close, but my watch hours, nowhere close. So it's going to take you years or 12 months to get to that point. And once you do, you're not even going to make that much money. So if you take the average CPM, which is cost per milli or cost per 1,000 views, how much you would get paid per 1,000 views, the average CPM is $2. So if you would just do that math, you're going to need 400,000 views on your YouTube channel in 1 month just to get what Skillshare is willing to pay you on average. What the average teacher makes on Skillshare, which is $200, it's going to take you 400,000 views on YouTube in 1 month just to get that. That is insane, and it's definitely not worth the money. Now later in this video, we're going to hop onto my computer and I'm going to show you more in depth of what these videos look like and how you don't even need this super expensive equipment to make these videos. But first, I want to talk about another way that you can get paid on Skillshare, and that is referrals. Student referrals is another way. There's two different ways that you can get referred to Skillshare and benefit from it. Either me referring you and you get 2 free months watching on Skillshare, so learning from other teachers, or become a teacher and refer students and get a $10 credit. So just $10 given to you for referring that person. Now, if you guys are interested in checking out Skillshare, I will leave a link down below in the description where it'll send you to Skillshare. Sign up for your 2 months free trials. If you don't like it then, if you don't want to make money off of Skillshare, just cancel your subscription and you won't be charged. But now I would really like to hop on the computer so I can give you guys more of what these teachers are trying to teach and all of the different subjects and all of the different topics, and I can show you even the quality of the videos. They don't have to be that good to start bringing in students. So let's get right onto the computer and let's start learning about this. We are now on the computer, as you guys can see. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you guys what these videos are looking like and what these courses, I guess you can call them courses, are looking like, and how easy it is to make these no matter what topic that you want to teach in. I know that every single one of you guys has a skill, so start making that money by teaching it. So if we go here to browse, you can see all of these different things that people are trying to teach: animation, creative writing, film and video, fine arts, graphic design, illustration, music, literally anything. Or you can go here and you can just search something. So let's search business and let's see what pops up for business. I am very excited about business and I love business and personal finance, so this is what everyone is teaching, these types of things. And like I said, I showed that screenshot earlier. I'll show it up again so you guys can see how much these people are making. So if you look here at this top one, art of starting. So art of starting a business and growing it. This one has 21,487 students. So if you look at that chart that's right here, you can see how much this person is making just by showing this to 21,000 students, and it's all organic reach. I mean, if you want to, you can draw people to your courses, put it on social media, tell your friends about it, and you can bring more people to it. But as you can see, a ton of these people are just doing it by organic reach and showing their videos to people that are just searching these types of terms. So if we look up Facebook marketing, which is what I own my business in, you can see that people have videos about Facebook marketing, or probably better, social media marketing. And you can see that people are posting videos and bringing in students, which is making them money. This one has 25,000 students. Social media marketing, top tips for growing your followers and going viral. And if I decided to make a video with this, I could probably make an easy course like this and get people to it. Let's go with making coffee. And, whoops, I misspelled coffee there. But let's go ahead and say making coffee. We're going to go ahead and look at one of these, and I'm going to show you guys how the quality is and tell you how they're probably recording it. As you see, this one has 85 students, and it's only a 17-minute course. So it's just like posting it on YouTube and seeing what happens with it. So here's the video. He has it broken up into a bunch of different parts, which really isn't necessary. I mean, if he wants to do it that way, he can, because not everyone is going to want to watch this whole thing. And a lot of people do it like that. They make this really long course that's 2 hours long, and they break it into 10 or 20-minute intervals, and someone is just searching for one thing that they want to go learn about, and they can click on part 5 and see something about social media marketing on Facebook only. And it'll just be a video about that, and they don't have to watch the entire course to figure it out. But as you can see, it's just an overview with a camera, and the person is just showing you how to do pour over coffee. And it's super simple. He has 85 students, and I'm sure this person has all organic reach from it. It's not even a super high quality video. He's not using audio. He's probably using a nice camera, but he's not using any high quality audio equipment. And you can honestly do this with your cell phone and start making money that way. Alright, so for this one I searched something completely random, something that I would have never thought that would be on this platform, and balloon drawing. So I searched balloon drawing, something came up for draw a hot air balloon on Illustrator. And as you can see, it is a 47-minute long course just teaching how to draw a hot air balloon on Adobe Illustrator. I'm guessing it's Adobe Illustrator. And it has 578 students. Now, if you guys aren't super experienced with the internet or Photoshop or anything like that, I know that you know how to cook. There are a lot of cooking things on here too. And you can literally post any skill that you have on here, and it's going to bring students in. And like I said, the average person makes $200 in their first month when they put up courses or when they put up something that they're trying to teach to other people. It's super simple, and all you have to do is, if you want to start teaching on this platform, just go down here. Let's go to the home page. Just all you have to do is go down all the way to the bottom and click Become a Teacher, and that'll send you to this part of the website where you can start uploading your videos and become a teacher. Start a class, and that's all you have to do, and you can start making money by posting your skills to this website and teaching other people your skills and how to go about them. And you can start bringing in passive income, because once that video is up, you're completely good. You never have to edit it, you never have to go back to it, and every single month you're going to see money in your bank account or your PayPal account that's going to show that your course brought in students, and that money from that big pool is getting distributed to you. So I highly recommend this website. If you guys are interested in teaching your skills and start making passive income after the course is built, then I highly recommend this website, and I hope to see you guys on this website. If you guys do, comment it down below, and I'm going to check out your course. I have almost unlimited membership to this website just because I have referred people to it, and it's given me free months of Skillshare. So like I said, if you guys are interested in joining Skillshare, definitely go check out the link down below. I will leave the link there so you guys can go straight to Skillshare and sign up with your free 2-month trial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, because I sure as heck did. I love doing videos like these where I can teach you guys how to make money, and who knows, maybe that will be the next course of mine. See you guys next time.